Hello, welcome back to the Leece-Neville Technical Center. I'm Jonathan Smith, and today I'm going to give you a brief overview of our new PowerPro Extreme 10 starter motors. These high torque, high output, heavy duty starter motors are 24 volt with 10.5 kilowatts of cranking power. They feature a planetary gear reduction design for 12 to 40 liter diesel engines in single starter applications and dual applications up to 80 liter. PowerPro Extreme 10 starter motors weigh 36 pounds and they are a direct drop-in replacement for the 50 MT but weigh about half as much. They feature a fully sealed noseless design for wet and dry clutch applications, a rotatable flange, a rotatable integrated mag switch with soft start technology, which helps ensure a positive engagement with the ring gear. This helps reduce the potential for ring gear damage and click no starts. They also feature isolated ground technology. Each PowerPro Extreme 10 starter motor meets major OE engine testing specifications and will provide excellent coverage for heavy-duty applications in construction, concrete, forestry, rail, military, and mining equipment. These starter motors are featured on mining equipment around the world and meet engine life requirements that other starter motors cannot. Also, at 16.5 kilograms, these starter motors meet the 25 kilogram weight requirement for safety of installation. Check out PowerProStarters.com for more information. Thanks for tuning in today. Please stay tuned for more battery-saving, innovative technology from Leece-Neville Heavy Duty Systems.